People of Zen out there, how are you guys doing today? Well, I hope that everyone is doing phenomenal today. It's a great day here in Arizona. Weather's in the monsoon season, so it's like hot and cool and rainy, but I love when it rains here because it's dry and we need to absorb that water. Question for the people of Zen out there. Do you guys know who Bill Gates is? Chances are most of you do. If you don't, highly recommend going to get caught up on what's happening in the world today. Hopefully you're not living under a rock. And if you guys know Windows, you know Bill Gates. And you also may know that he's very generous. Well, obviously he's wealthy, but he's very generous with his wealth. He's a philanthropist and just an amazing person. But a lot of you may not know that he actually had to struggle and fight for his freedom and success. He worked very hard for many, many years before he actually found any type of success. So in today's video, what I'm going to cover are 6 tips from Bill Gates on how to create success. So stay tuned.
Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action.
But if you guys have never been to this channel, what I love to do is just inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of each one of those areas on this planet, we would eliminate hunger, famine, slavery, war, disease, and have health, wealth, and abundance together as one human unit on this planet. So if you guys believe in similar messages, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know when new videos are released. Comment below, let me know your thoughts about these topics that I cover. And last but not least, again, share these out with people in your community who needs to hear these messages. So let's get started. So again, really quickly guys, in case you didn't hear me before, Bill Gates is a philanthropist, he's a humanitarian, he's an author, he's an investor, and again, he's best known for finding Microsoft. Alright guys, so tip number 1 from Bill Gates is start as early as possible in life. And what he means by that is, again, if you have a passion for something or a desire, don't hold off, don't wait for 20, 30, 40 years and have regrets. Start as early as possible. It's best to start when you're very young, maybe 18, 19, 20, something like that, because a lot of times you don't really have a lot of obligations as you would if you wait till you're 30, 40, 50 years old. But either way, no matter what your situation is, no matter how old you are, you need to start as early as possible. So if you are in your 30s and 40s, start now, don't wait, don't think it's too late, because you still have life in your body, you're still moving around, so you still have time to create your success. Remember guys, Colonel Sanders, the creator of KFC, I believe he was in his 60s, if I'm not mistaken, when he started KFC. So think about it, he was in his 60s, and he had a passion and burning desire. He didn't let his age get him down, so start now. And also Bill Gates says that the best education is life and not school or college, so think about that. Alrighty guys, tip number 2 is, he says, surround yourself and network with people who are actually smarter than you and actually in a place to where you want to be. So you need to surround yourself around those people who have the lifestyle that you want and learn from them, because that's the best way to get to where you want to be. And a lot of times people get this screwed up because what they do is they ask people for their opinions who are in the same position as they am. So if you ask someone else who is broken in debt and exchange their time for money for another person, you know, should you do this or is it a good idea? Obviously, most of the time they will say no, because they don't know any better. You need to surround yourself around people who have what you want in life and the lifestyle and the relationships, marriage, whatever it is you want, wealth, money, business, and have them mentor you. So surround yourself around people who are smarter than you, and that's how you can actually catapult to success. Alright guys, number 3 is something you may not want to hear. Earning your riches does not happen overnight. It takes time, hard work, and dedication. Sorry for the people who wanted something that's like a get-rich-quick type of deal. Sorry, not happening. But again, you need to take your time, become an expert in whatever field it is that you're pursuing, and really learn that craft so you can know it like the back of your hand. Actually, better than the back of your hand. I don't know how many people stare at the back of their hand all day. Oh wait, what is that? Anyway, again, master your craft and you will become successful. Alrighty guys, number 4 is become your own boss ASAP, as soon as possible. Again, this is coming from the man himself, the billionaire Bill Gates. He says you need to be your own boss. That's the only way you can actually achieve the type of life that you will want to pursue, whether it's money, whether it's time, freedom. You have to be your own boss, because you would not get that working for someone else. Sorry. Alrighty guys, number 5 is learn from your mistakes and not complain. Many people complain when they make mistakes, when they fall. Instead of getting up and just learning from that, they want to stay down. But again, you have to learn from your mistakes, because failing is part of becoming successful. You guys study any successful person, Oprah, Winfrey, Jim Carrey, Denzel Washington, list goes on and on and on. Anyone that's successful, self-made, they all have failed before they were able to create success. No one was just handed back money out of thin air or anything. They all had to work for it, sacrifice, fail, then success. So you have to be willing to fail and not give up. And your abundance is waiting on the other side of that hump, on the other side of that hill. It's right there, just 3 feet from gold. Alrighty guys, the last number tip for this video, which is not the last tip, there's many out there, but number 6 is stay committed and passionate. Always learn and stay curious. You want to continually learn and not give up. Because if you continually learn, educate yourself, you will start to learn new things, and then your mind will open like this. You will literally unplug yourself from the matrix. Why do you think it's easier for people who maybe have been rich, and let's say they did lose all their money, for them to be able to get it right back? Because they have the mindset and skill set that you can't take away. You can take someone's money away, but you can't take their mind and their creativity and their intelligence away. So remember that, guys. You want to learn, adapt, evolve, and continue growing, because that is how you create true success. Far beyond just money, because we all just think about materialistic things, like, oh, I want to have more money for this, or money. No, you have to be able to grow yourself and be a better person, be willing to serve people, because at the end of the day, it comes down to servant leadership. That's when you learn that, you will start to grow and create the success that you want. Alrighty guys, well, you know what time it is. Like I do in every video, it's time for the quote of the day. And this quote is from the man himself, Bill Gates. And he goes, surround yourself with people who will teach you, who will challenge you, who will push you to be your best self. Hey guys, well, that's all I have for you. It's a very short video today. So again, subscribe if you like these messages, hit the bell notification so you get notified when new videos are here. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on these topics, and share this out with people in your community who need to unplug from the matrix so they can help themselves, and then each one teach one, and they can go back and bring somebody else up. Greg with Planet Green Zen signing off. You guys have a great day.